Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Joey Biagas and I'm a digital media expert, and today I'm going to show you how to change the iTunes encoder. So let's get to it. Okay, I have iTunes open here. So what we're going to do is cruise up to the upper left hand corner, click on iTunes and go to the preferences. Okay. Now under here we're going to go to import settings. Okay, and I know this is asking about CD, but you'll see what I mean, because this window pops up. And then this is where we can set our import settings, or basically our encoding settings. So let's, for example, if we want to change a song to an MP3 format, we can do that. So click on this down arrow and we can change the encoder to whatever we want. If we want an AAC encoder, AIFF, and so on and so on. So MP3 is usually what everyone uses, so I'm just going to select that. And then we can choose a custom setting. So if we want good quality, high quality, or higher quality, or a custom, which is my favorite. I like to customize everything. And basically set your own settings to how high you want the bit rate, and sample rate, and channels, and so on and so on. Okay, and then we can hit OK. And then once you have set your settings, you can just go to OK. And we can hit OK on the general preferences as well. And that's basically it, guys. There's not much to it other than that. So if you do have any other questions about iTunes or encoding inside of iTunes, please let us know, and thank you for watching.